are watching The Bottom Line. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Magandang gabi, kaibigan. Welcome to The Bottom Line. Bottom Liners, welcome to your show.
Maya learning.
Ang learnings ko ngayon include just do them. Because sometimes it takes a while for you to realize that when someone remembers or when you remember, you actually delivered a piece of heaven to someone. Pero yun po ang bottom line. Patuloy ho tayong mag-usap para mas luminaw, para mas lumakas ang ating adhikain na mas maging mabuti tayong mga tao. Before and after the EDSA revolution, last question, have we become a better people? Bottom line, that's a question. Kaibigan, maraming salamat at ingat ka.
Ngayong Sabado sa The Bottom Line.